Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about some of the most undervalued products onto the Redbubble or even in print-on-demand websites in general that are selling but people are not looking at it, and very few people are actually making those products and selling them. So it's based on my experience because recently I see that one of the product in my Teepublic shop sells and I wasn't expecting that to sell at all. So I'm going to be talking about the most undervalued products and how you can, as a print-on-demand seller, take advantage of that and can make more money by creating the product that are undervalued and not that many people are making it. So let's get straight with that. Before going good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And also guys, recently I made a platform where you can get the free graphics and patterns, textures, and also free KDP interiors to help you guys make more money online. So I'm going to leave the link of that platform. That's globocreative.com in the description box below. You can click on that website and you can go over to the freebie section and can download the freebies and you can use it whatever way you want to because it has full commercial license. To check it out each month on that platform because I'm gonna be uploading each month new freebies, so make sure you check it out and download it and use them. Now let's talk about most undervalued products. So I'm gonna hop onto my laptop in a second. Before talking about that guys, product that's sold onto the Teepublic shop or my Teepublic shop, which I wasn't really expecting. I was thinking that it doesn't sell, and I was like just taking it like lightly only. But recently it gets sold and I was like, wow, this product also sells, and we actually don't take care of that product. We actually don't notice that product. So let's hop onto the laptop and we're gonna see at the Redbubble website and look at the most undervalued products and how you can make more money by targeting these undervalued products as a print-on-demand seller. So let's go. We are onto the Redbubble. You can see very well. Now I'm gonna hover over to some products which I think are the most undervalued, and recently I sold one of them and I was like, wow, it's selling well, and I was just undervaluing them and I was thinking that it didn't really sell. So if you hover over to the sticker section, you see that the stickers are quite popular, and I'm talking about this, that is the magnets. So magnets are the products which are selling but not many people are utilizing it, and in my old Teepublic shop I get sale on this magnet recently only. Like I've been selling a lot of the stickers, the t-shirts, or even the baby shirt t-shirts and the art prints and the canvas prints on my Teepublic shop, but the very first time I sold magnets and I was like, wow, the magnets are also selling, but I was just undervaluing them. So if you hover over to that, you can see only 81,062 results. That means not many people are utilizing it. So it's quite undervalued guys, and you need to utilize it. Like they are selling well and everyone is around having a $7 or $8 rate, and you can take an idea what different kinds of magnets are selling. Like there are so many different varieties of the magnets. Like this kind of magnets is quite popular, although this is sticker pack magnet, so it's also quite popular. The slot stack magnet, then the dumpster is fine. So you can take an idea that very few designs are having as a magnet in their shop, and if you're doing it then you can get more sales, and it's also a product that is selling guys. That's why it exists onto the Redbubble in the first place. And even if you go for the Teepublic, you will also going to see that not many people are selling the magnets, and magnets are very less. Product that is selling, that is the magnet. Now you can take an idea guys, like there are so many different niches the magnets have. Like the simple text is also there, like this one is a simple text. Then the animal waste designs are there. Then if I'm just scroll down, I can see the different kinds of design ideas and different kinds of, like it's a coffee based design idea, worship coffee. It's a nice one. It's again related to the animal with the quote. So there are so many different kinds of, this is just a simple portrait style of the magnet, the couple magnet. Text based, like this one is also simple text based, this one is also simple text based. Two faces of the animals, here is the avocado, that is a fruit, is also there. So you can have the different kinds of beer bottles or different kinds of drinks, and just play around with the different kind of ideas, home and living. So another I want to talk about is the clock. Now the clock is the product that not many people are utilizing it. They are thinking it's not selling well. Now only 75,703 results are there in the clock. Unlike if you go to the t-shirts and to the stickers, it is having so many search results. So the clocks are also quite undervalued, and the clocks are selling well, the $31. And there are so many different kinds of clocks, guys. This is the octopus, the another animal over here, the another animal. Okay, the simple text-based clock is also there, like a time is an illusion. Then this is just a simple color, the mustard yellow color clock. That is as simple as that. So this is also quite undervalued, guys. Now this is a simple quote. That is the New York. That's it. Then this is the Carolina, like somewhat some sort of an art. So you can see, guys, now this is one is quite simple, just a black color clock, like nothing has been done. Like here you can see is a mustard color clock, and here we can see the black color clock. That's all, nothing else. Or even just a simple text base. Again, just a simple clock. Like this one you can see the numbers are there, but again it's quite simple, guys. Now this one only the numbers are there. So this one is also awesome product which is so much undervalued, but you can utilize it. This is a simple texture, the glitter ombre pink marble. That's all. If I just hover over, scroll down, I will just gotta see here the different kinds of the mushrooms. Wow, that's also awesome. So the same is in the case of the Teepublic. Like these are the products more sales, because the demand is there, but not many people are utilizing it. Again, it's the festive orange, the simple color clock. So you can get the idea, guys. It's so simple. The neon orange and neon pink. That is a simple clocks. Nothing much more is there. Same over here. Same over here, guys. It's just as simple as that, and you can do it. Now let's talk about another product that is quite undervalued, and I think that is selling well. Now another product is the coasters. Now coasters are also undervalued. You can see only 50,077 results. Coasters are selling well, guys. Now people buy coasters, like they do buy coasters, just a simple animal coasters. Here is the mushroom coasters. Here is just the textures. Here is just the dinosaur. So it's quite simple design. The textures and patterns are selling well on such products. If you see the clock, the magnets, or even if you see the coasters, the textures are selling well. So if you're creating the patterns, why not sell these patterns over to these products which are so undervalued and are selling well? All these are kind of like a textures, guys. You can see and you can take an idea. This is a text-based coaster, guys. You can also have it of one. Let me just scroll down and see some simple design over here. Most of them are the textures and patterns. Yeah, here is a simple text base, the black and the white text. That's all. It's simple and anyone can do it. Here, this is also text-based design. The box. That's simple as that, guys. Now let me just scroll down and see some more of it. Now these are the simple textures over here. The simple textures. There are some is also good. Like you can see, this is just a mushroom. It's selling well, and yeah. So let me just scroll down. Okay, now this one is just so simple, guys. Just a single color, that is a blush color, and that's a simple coaster. That's all. You can upload a single color as well in the clock as well, in the magnets or in the coasters, and can sell such kind of products. You can see these products are so undervalued, so you can take an idea and inspiration from that. Let me just scroll down and see what's there. So these are the different types of ideas. Now let's talk about the last product, which is also undervalued, but you can take and help an idea. Last product that I want to talk about is, guys, okay, the bath mats. Yes. These are also the products that are not there. Like you can see only 47,580 results are there, the bath mats. And bath mats are selling, guys. And they only have the 47,580 search results. Not many people are utilizing it, but they are selling well. So you can take an idea, you can just hover over to this type of products and can sell them. Now this is the different mushrooms that are hooked over here. This one is a simple quote, guys, get naked. That's a simple design. That's all they have did over here. That's a simple, since it's really okay. Let me just over down. This is just a simple texture. Again, textures. Here over again the textures, like so simple and so easy, guys. Here is the flower picture over here. You can get the picture from the Pixabay and modify them and edit them. I've already made a video about that. So this is also quite undervalued product, guys, and not many people are utilizing it. It's a simple codes over here, the simple textures are there. And yeah, guys, I hope you find this video useful. That's all. These are the 4 undervalued products that I see currently, which are not valued so well but are selling. So I hope you find this video useful. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below and let me know, are you focusing on these products or not? Are you making money by that or not? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.